I have moisturized my face with the aloe vera gel which is over there, and after that I will be using the Clinique Moisture Surge on my skin to prep my skin. Right, it's a very good moisturizer of Clinique. I literally like it quite very much. So just dab it, dab it, dab it. Right, now after we're done with the moisturizer, now we will be going with the primer, which is the porefessional little pores and underneath around your nose. So hi, hope this turned out good. So okay, now just gently push it over. You just have to do this way. And after that we could use the foundation, which is the Clinique again, the Beyond Perfecting. It is foundation plus concealer. See, this is one. This is the go-to one for me. Okay. I'm not using much of the product. Either with the flat brush, this one, or the beauty blender. You can use either of the thing, whichever you are comfortable with. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh my god, this is my favorite and go-to-go song, which I keep singing like thousands of times in a day. Yes, in a day. I'm pretty crazy for some particular song which I keep singing, keep singing, keep singing. Now what you can do, see, you have used a brush a little. Now you can use the beauty blender. Okay. And what else? The other option is, you have used this. Now you can. I have the Forest Essential. This is a tonic mist, facial tonic mist. You can give a spray to the beauty blender so that it gets moist a little, and then you can dab the foundation so that it gets even out easily. I hope you're understanding this. This is my first makeup tutorial. I hope this turned out good. Here you go on, far across the distance and spaces between us. Always remember, you have to keep dabbing it, you have to keep doing this until you think the foundation has set over your skin very nicely, okay? So keep using it, keep using it. The more you do it, the more it turns out very natural and it gives a good beauty effect. After this, we will be using the concealer if you want. This is Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. I am in the shade Sand, 122 Sand. Oh. Here it goes. La, 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 la. You can do it with. It's nice, nice, nice. Let me see naturally. Slowly. La 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 la. I hope this has blended nicely now. Yeah. It has blended nicely now. What we could do now is using a blusher, obviously. Yes, here we go with the blusher. With a fluffy brush. I will be using a blusher. Oh, wow, wow. La 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 la. And I have okay, this one is a V-Face Maybelline blush counter. So there is a counter also, so I will be using this contouring with the same brush. Yeah. Okay. Then we will be using highlighter, obviously. Yeah. With a fan brush, yo. This is a Nika highlighter which I love. Oh yeah, this is so shiny. Not like me. Okay. I hope this is okay. Yes, it's done now. Now we could come over to our eyes to give a beautiful look. And this is Lift, the loose finishing powder, Maybelline Fit Me. This is just to set our make. Okay. Tap. I'm using very little quantity, not much. Okay, this is fine. Now let's come to the eye. I will be keeping my eyes very simple today. This is L'Oreal eyeliner, sapphire blue color. So I will be using this for my eyes today. I hope these turn out good. Okay, I will be using this. Okay. This turned out good, right? Okay, this has been done. Okay, this has been done. Now, what else we could do? Now I will be using my Makeup Revolution eye palette. This is lovely. This Sofix. We're showing you the colors. These are very beautiful colors. Yes. So today I'll be using this. I hope this also turned out good for me today. So today I'll be using chocolate orange, right? Okay. Right. Then over this eye. Okay. Then a little of mild wine. Since I am wearing a little wineish color, so yes, that is why. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now I will be using a little shimmery just to add a little bit of glamour. That is pinkish romance. It is romance color. So let me use that with my finger. Oh, this is it. This is it we are living for. Could you see that glowy? Could you see that glowing? My eyes going, yay. Underneath my eye too. Wow, this is going pretty much good. Done. Now, okay, to add little drama to my eyes, I can use mascara, which will work good. Okay. Okay. Then I will be using, this is okay for my eyes, I guess. Then I will be using a lip shade and a lip pencil, which is, this one lip pencil is of Maybelline. Very pretty. This is of Faces Canada. Which color is this? Bold Wine. This is a Bold Wine 11. This is a very lovely shade. Let me just show you. This is how this color turned out. This is really lovely. I don't know whether it's suiting on my skin, but this is a really lovely color. So where we are now, I think this is almost done. Yeah, this is a Nika Golden Glimmer, just to give a little poppy on everything. So keep all of this close. I think this is done for one. This is of Vera, New York. So a little of it. I don't know where I'm going in this lockdown, but to feel myself good, I keep doing this, but thought today recording it. So there I am, in front of the beautiful people out there. So here I am. I don't know where I'm going today. So this is it. This is my makeup look. So this